Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex. Today I will show you how to create a password on Windows 11 operating system. Well, to create a password, you must create a user first, or to have at least somebody on your computer. And you can do that by setting up with a Microsoft account, or if you don't want to sign in with a Microsoft account or creating one, you can do that without an existing one. So to create a password on this Windows 11, we'll have to hit the settings. You will find the Windows logo here on the bottom. I'll right click on it, and here you can locate also the settings. I will go there, and on the left side you should locate accounts, and let's scroll just a bit. I'm signing in, on my main one. If you go on if you will hit other users, here you can see everybody that has an account on this computer. As you saw in my last tutorial, I created a new user is test1. But if you want to set up a password, let's go back to accounts. And here in sign-in options, Windows Hello security key password dynamic look, I will press here, and here you can set either a password, security key, a pin, a fingerprint recognition, but this option is not available for me because my laptop doesn't have something like that. Or you can set also a facial recognition if your device is supporting something similar to that. But I can't see the password here because I already have a password set up on this account. By the way, if you created this user with a Microsoft account, you will just have to go on Microsoft.com, and you just have to reset your password from here. You will have to sign in. But if you didn't log in with a Microsoft account, you will just reset the password locally. Do you remember when you will open the computer and you will have to put your password right in? If you forgot the password, you will have just to hit underneath that forgot password, and from there you will have to answer your security questions, and after that you'll be able to reset the password. I will not go through that process because my recording will cut off if I'll try to change the user right now. If you want to change the user, just click one time, left click on the Windows logo, press on your name, and here you can locate all the accounts, all the users that are connected right now, and from who you can switch to who. So that being said, if you want to create a password, go to sign in options, and here you can choose create a new password, or security key, pin, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Guys, I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, and of course, as always, leave a comment right under this video in the comment section if you have any questions. Have a great day.